Okay, we've added our mushrooms, and we're going to swirl our pan around so that they begin to reduce. And you can see the broccoli has started to cook because we turned it upside down. It's absorbed a lot of the sherry flavor. And so now we're going to move the mushrooms down to the bottom so that they can start to cook as well. Now we're going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce and try and pour those right over the florets. So when you add the sherry, try and have the broccoli florets down, and when you add the soy sauce, try and have them up. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of ground ginger. Try and spread that evenly over the top. I'm going to go ahead and stir it so that ground ginger can blend in with the sauce.